Well, this all followed Governor Combs' executive order, and I took the position that I would support a legislative act and not an executive order. And so the march on Frankfort, it was a real march with Martin Luther King and Jackie Robinson and Peter, Paul, and Mary, all the African-American leaders in the state, both black and white, were in this march. Half my cabinet, my daughter, and they marched right up Capitol Avenue to the Capitol, and then had speeches and songs by Peter, Paul, and Mary, and as a result, it was the catalyst for ultimate passage of the Civil Rights Bill in Kentucky, which I supported. But I had prepared for this march so that the state of Kentucky was cooperating in it. Burke Marshall of the Justice Department and John Douglas, the son of Senator Paul Douglas of the Justice Department, came down and worked with my lawyers and police officials and our Department of Education in seeing to it that we could have a peaceful march, which it was. There was no problem at all about the march, and we had security officers at every intersection, and it worked out fine. And then Martin Luther King and Jackie Robinson and the other leaders came into my office, and we discussed the situation, and I committed to them that I would work hard to pass a civil rights bill in Kentucky, and which would be the first civil rights bill enacted south of the Mason-Dixon line.